G'day.
What is it?
Cindy! Grinch? My baby! Martha, Revenant!
By the way, these lights match your outfit perfectly.
Uh-oh! This could be a little more difficult to negotiate. Hands up, Whoville! Out of the way! I have no insurance! Run for your lives! Watch out! I can't stop!
Daddy, move!
Dad, move it! Thanks for the help, Lou.
Hi, Daddy!
Hi, Cindy, honey! Merry Christmas, one and all! All right. What do we have here? You got me, officer! I did it. I'm the Grinch that stole Christmas. And I'm sorry. Aren't you gonna cuff me? Put me in a chokehold? Blind me with pepper spray?
You heard him, officer. He admitted it.
I'd go with the pepper spray.
Yes, I heard him all right. He said he was sorry. Besides, looks like everything is all here and accounted for.
Help me out here, people. Martha!
Merry Christmas, August MayWho. I'm afraid I do have something for you. Your ring back. Sorry. But my heart belongs to someone else.
Hmm? No hard feelings. Cheer up, dude. It's Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Grinch. Your cheeks so...
I know. Hairy.
No.
Greasy. Stinky. Do I possess it?
No. Warm.
Welcome Christmas, come this way. Welcome Christmas, Christmas Day. Welcome, welcome, Whobris. Welcome, welcome, Whobris. Christmas Day is in our grasp. So long as we have hands to clasp.
So he brought back the toys and the food for the feast, and he himself, the Grinch, carved the roast beast.
Yeah! Who wants the gizzard? I do. Too late. That'll be mine.